Every journey tells a story. Where cars bring people together. Every drive creates cherished moments. Here for you, every step of the way. Innovation that redefines driving and confidence.
And Chery Tiggo are the PBL Open Conference champions.
Fueled by heart, united by purpose. Step into a space that welcomes you to our community. Wherever life takes you, choose to love.
Love your journey.
Every journey tells a story. Where cars bring people together. Every drive creates cherished moments. Here for you, every step of the way. Innovation that redefines driving and confidence.
And Chery, Tiggo are the PB.
Every journey tells a story. Where cars bring people together. Every drive creates cherished moments. Here for you, every step of the way. Innovation that redefines driving and confidence.
And Chery, Tiggo are the PBL Open Conference champions.
Fueled by heart, united by purpose. Step into a space that welcomes you to our community. Wherever life takes you, choose to love.
Love your journey.
Every journey tells a story. where cars bring people together. Every drive creates cherished moments. Here for you, every step of the way. Innovation that redefines driving and confidence.
And Chery Tiggo are the PVL Open Conference champions.
Fueled by heart, united by purpose. Step into a space that welcomes you to our community. Wherever life takes you, choose to love.
Love your journey.
Every journey tells a story. Where cars bring people together. Every drive creates cherished moments. Here for you, every step of the way. Innovation that redefines driving and confidence.
And Chery Tiggo are the PVL Open Conference champions.
Fueled by heart, united by purpose. Step into a space that welcomes you to our community. life takes you, choose to love.
Love your journey.
Every journey tells a story. Where cars bring people together. Every drive creates cherished moments. Here for you, every step of the way. Innovation that redefines driving and confidence.
And Chery Tiggo are the PBL Open Conference champions.
Fueled by heart, united by purpose. Step into a space that welcomes you to our community. Wherever life takes you, choose to love.
Love your journey.
Every journey tells a story. Where cars bring people together. Every drive creates cherished moments. Here for you, every step of the way. Innovation that redefines driving and confidence.
And Chery Tiggo are the PBL Open Conference champions.
Fueled by heart, united by purpose. Step into a space that welcomes you to our community. Wherever life takes you, choose to love.
Love your journey.
Every journey tells a story. Where cars bring people together. Every drive creates cherished moments. Here for you, every step of the way. Innovation that redefines driving and confidence.
And Chery Tiggo are the PBL Open Conference champions.
Fueled by heart, united by purpose. Step into a space that welcomes you to our community. Wherever life takes you, choose to love.
Love your journey.
Today's event. Let's hear from one of our distinguished circumstores executives who will deliver the honors. So let us now please welcome Sir Eugene
spending time with us to unveil the new product. Actually, may mga rumor na may mga tip na nagsabi na nga sa akin. Magtatagalog ako ngayon kasi naka-live So, may mga rumor na nagsasabi, maraming nagsabi na itong dalawang produkto na to is maraming ipapakitang magandang mga features. And value for your money, sabi nga nila, value for your money, ito yung magandang i-alok lalo na sa mga customers natin ngayon. That's why, siguro hindi ko na rin patatagalin para at least makita na natin. And, but prior to that pala, I would like to acknowledge yung mga partners natin para maging maging totoo yung ating vision na syempre yung Chery maging top of mind dito sa ating area. Of course, I would like to recognize the banks. Isa-isa na lang natin, ano? So, from RCBC, headed by Philip Guerrero. Bigyan naman natin ng konting palakpak. Yan. Si East West Bank, kay Candy. Yan. Tapos si Yvonne from Maybank. And then BDO, si Ems. Sino pa ba ang taga-bangko na hindi? Where's Pimay? Ayun, may kausap lang from China Bank, nasa likod. Yan. Bank of Commerce, si Ma'am Pam. Okay. Yan, Bank of Commerce. Sino pa ba nakalimutan ko? Nataga-bangko muna. And of course, yung mga partners din natin sa negosyo, especially sa insurance, nandito, Standard, headed by Leslie. Hi, Leslie. Salamat sa lechon, Leslie. Salamat. Sino pa ba? Pioneer Insurance. Okay. Hi, hello, sir. From Pioneer. Sir. Jao. Okay. Thank you for being here with us. And then Malayan also. Sino pong representative from Malayan? Levy. Okay, thank you. Who else? From insurance? Wala na. How about other partners? Sa negosyo natin? Mga supplier, etc. District. IMJ. Okay, hello. Yung provider natin ng mga to, lightings and sounds. Okay, again, okay. Yeah, okay. Thank you very much for being here. Yung mga customers natin, baka nandito na yung mga kukuha ng ating Tiggo Cross or ating, what's this? Ito ba yung cross? Ito yung cross, no? This is Grand Tour, okay. So yung kukuha ng Tiggo Cross or Grand Tour. So meron na tayo, andyan na, nakapila. So papilahin lang natin ha, kasi meron pagkagulo eh. Okay, so without further ado, we will proceed now to the next program. Ano yung next? Presentation na. Okay. So, yan po, no? Sige, Marge.
Okay, thank you very much, Sir Eugene Espachica, our AVP. Hello, ayan. So, we are currently live via Facebook in partnership with IMJ Interactive. And please also like and share our Facebook account, official Facebook account, Chery Auto Camarines Tour. So, ayan, we would like also to thank our sponsors, Standard Insurance, and also to our suppliers, Electronics, and again, IMJ. So, if you ever have pictures po here in the dealer, you can use the hashtag Chery Camarinesor and hashtag Chery There's More to Our Cars. So, ayan. So, Chery Auto Philippines recently launched its brand, where Chery introduced a brand new tagline that represents Chery's commitment to its customer, which is Love Your Journey. So because at Chery, we don't just sell cars. We create experiences that make you love your journey. So to share with you more about the Love Your Journey is all about, please set your eyes on the screen and watch this video.
Every journey tells a story. Where cars bring people together. Every drive creates cherished moments. Here for you, every step of the way. Innovation that redefines driving and confidence.
And Chery Tiggo are the PBL Open Conference champions.
heart, united by purpose. Step into a space that welcomes you to our community. Wherever life takes you, choose to love.
Love your journey.
So ayan, indeed there's a lot of reasons to love your journey with Chery. So I hope you enjoyed our video po. Now we're ready to take a deeper dive into the features that set the all-new Tiggo Cross and Tiggo Grand Tour apart from the rest. So to explain us more with the all-new Tiggo Cross, may I call with in front here si Sir Patrick of Chery Capsule who will give us an in-depth look what makes Tiggo Cross a good choice as today's modern driver. So, Sir Pat?
Ayan, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Patrick, and I'm your sales executive here at Chery Camarines. So, today I am both thrilled and honored to present to you more in-depth information about the fun and exciting crossover SUV for the young. Also, the all-new Tiggo Cross and the all-new Tiggo Grand Tour. Ayan. Bigyan ko lang kayo ng kaunting idea regarding for our Chery Tiggo Cross, kung ano yung meron sa kanya. So, for Tiggo Cross, so regarding in style, and the new Tiggo Cross is especially designed for the youthful and image-conscious driver. So, pwedeng-pwede siya doon sa mga baguhang driver, lalo sa mga babae din. And you'll immediately see its sharp, sleek line, giving a modern and dynamic presence. Standout elements includes a newly designed diamond accent front grille with a complete front fascia update. Tiger Claw full automatic LED headlights featuring sequential front turning signal with a 17 inches sporty gray alloy wheel and the distinctive tiger stripe LED tail light. So now let's explore the advanced technology integrated into the 2025 Tiggo Cross. You'll find a dual 10.25 multi-information display instrumental cluster and infotainment screen, offering effortless connectivity through Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. Driving is further enhanced by the HD reverse camera with dynamic guidelines and backup sensors, while cruise control adds a layer of convenience for extended trips. And the inclusion of the electronic parking brake with the auto hold provides more convenience and comfort. Now, let's drill into the performance of the Tiggo Cross. Under the hood, you'll find the responsive 1.5 dual overhead cam engine. For smooth and efficient daily driving, it's paired with the 9-speed CVT. However, for those seeking more engaging and dynamic experience, especially when navigating varied roads, and the CVT also. Offering Triptonic manual shift control, putting in a command for a more aggressive feels. Inside the Tiggo Cross, the sporty premium interior storage space are crafted for both driver and passenger comfort and adaptability. Enjoy the simple sporty design of the front seat and the refined feel of soft touch material throughout the cabin. Clever storage options such as a designated phone space, larger center console, storage with a cooling function, and rear seats that can be fully expanded or folded down to accommodate everything from groceries to larger items. Rear occupants will also find convenient side pockets and USB charging port. Ayan. Miss March?
Thank you very much for coming. So again, we are currently live via Facebook in partnership with IMJ Interactive. And also, we would like to thank again our sponsors, Standard Insurance, and of course our bank partners and Chery owners that here is with us today. So, as for the Tiggo Grand Tour, may I call on Miss Juday, our sales executive, to give us an in-depth product presentation about the Tiggo Grand Tour. So let us welcome Miss Juday.
Ladies and gentlemen, here in front of you is Judy Argalion, a senior sales executive here at Chery at the Camarines. I am thrilled to introduce to you the new model of innovation and design that will take your ride and driving experience to the next level. The Chery Tiggo Grand Tour. When it comes to style, the all-new Tiggo Grand Tour stands out as a practical MPV with a powerful SUV-inspired design. Its larger dimensions immediately set it apart, projecting a dominant and bold look without sacrificing practicality. Eye-catching elements include newly designed infinity meshed front grille, sophisticated full automatic LED projector headlights with sequential turn signals at both ends, stylish two-tone 18-inch alloy wheels, all contributing to a substantial road presence. Moving on to the interior design and advanced safety features of the technology of the 2025 Chery Tiggo Grand Tour, it features a full digital 7-inch instrumental cluster and a 10.25 inches infotainment screen with seamless Apple CarPlay connectivity, a clear 360-degree camera with dynamic guidelines and sensors amplifies maneuvering. Moreover, cruise control enhances longer trips, and the electronic parking brake with the auto holds adds everyday convenience. Unique to its MPV class at this price are the exceptional panoramic sunroof and ambient lighting, offering superior interior environment. So every time you get behind the wheel, you feel like you're in your own private sanctuary. Sounds like a gym ride, right? When it comes to safety, it's the top priority when you have the whole fam in the road. With the Chery Tiggo Grand Tour, prioritize your well-being with a comprehensive array of features. You'll find front, sides, and side curtains for crucial occupant protection, along with advanced systems like ABS, EBD, electronic stability program, hydraulic brake assist, hill descent control, and TPMS, all working together to provide a safer and more secure driving experience, protecting you every step of the way. When it comes to practicality, the Grand Tour Chery delivers. It is basically designed to adapt to your lifestyle. The Grand Tour Chery delivers versatile space, easily accommodates people, goods, and even pets. So, fun fact guys, I love hitting the open roads with my 4 friends besides me. So beyond just space, the safety technologies, the safety features, and the MPV designed with powerful SUV-inspired swag, Chery Tiggo Grand Tour is a wise and practical decision. You wanna know why? Mamaya po i-explain ko. Anybody who can, I'm not mentioning here the unit price yet, pero sino ang makaka-guess kung ano yung presyo ng ating Chery Tiggo Grand Tour? Anyone? Baka sakaling bigyan tayo ng 50% off ni Sir Eugene. No, kidding aside. But trust me with this, ladies and gentlemen, this Chery Tiggo Grand Tour has a lot more to offer for its price. In fact, when it comes to after-sales service, we have 3 years or 60,000 kilometers, whichever comes first, free preventive maintenance services, offering significant savings and peace of mind. To further enhance your ownership, we also include 3 years roadside assistance, providing crucial support whenever you need it. So, with Chery, you'll get the most value for money. Thank you for your time this afternoon as we presented the 2025 Chery Tiggo Cross and Chery Tiggo Grand Tour. We trust that you're excited as we are. We're here to help you to find the perfect Chery to ensure that your child will love your journey with Chery. Thank you.
Wow, that was very insightful. Thank you so much, Ms. Julie. So, ladies and gentlemen, the moment that we are waiting for, ayan. So, are you ready to see the Grand Tour and the Tiggo Cross? So once again, let us all welcome and let's see the very fresh Tiggo Cross, Tiggo Grand Tour. In 3, 2, and 1. The all-new Tiggo Cross that incorporates modern, fashion-forward elements. And the all-new Tiggo Cross is definitely an ideal choice for drivers who prioritize the balance between both performance and style. Now to give us a brief walk around of the new 2025 Tiggo Cross, may I call again Sir Patrick in front of us to give a brief walk around of the vehicle.
Ayan again. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Now, nakita na natin yung ating bagong unit, the Tiggo Cross and the Grand Tour. Now, bigyan ko kayo, papakita natin kung ano yung meron sa kanya ngayon. So, for our, sa ating hood natin, and then yung mukha ng ating Tiggo Cross ngayon, is meron siyang diamond accent. Front facial fashion na siya. And then with our Tiger Claw LED. And then dun sa ating loob, punta natin yung loob kung ano yung meron sa kanya ngayon. Ayan. Imagine you have a 10.25 inches touchscreen monitor. So, for your cluster and your infotainment. So, tignan natin. Ayan. And then we also have here the dual function, dual aircon. And then yung ating Triptonic shifting gear natin. Makikita natin dito. So, yan. And then naka-piano tile na rin yung ating mga yung ating mga button. And then for our center console, makikita natin yung ating auto hold control and then yung ating electric handbrake. And then sa atin namang steering wheel, nandito pa rin yung ating infotainment function natin. And then yung ating cruise control. So yung makikita nyo. And then yung ating second passenger seat, tignan natin kung gaano siya ka-spacious pagdating doon sa second row niya. Ayan. So second row naman natin, ladies and gentlemen, meron tayo ditong ventilated aircon na siya dito sa ating second row. So yan, kung makikita nyo. So, hindi na kayo maiinitan dyan. And then, pagdating naman sa headroom and then legroom mo, sobrang spacious pagdating dun sa kanyang legroom and then headroom niya. And then, you feel comfort talaga. So, sa halagang 998,000 mo, if ang nabili mo na dito is yung sobrang comfortness niya and then yung feel na pagiging very luxury yung nabili natin. And then guys, dito naman, punta tayo dito sa ating likod. So makikita nyo, ito yung Tiger stripe LED niya. So it's very designed. So ang ganda niyan tignan sa likod and very luxury type talaga. And then tignan natin yung kanyang ayan, para sa ano naman niya sa likod natin, yung compartment natin, it's very spacious, so kaya niya up to 600 liters yung kaya niyang ikarga dito sa ating trunk space. So, sobrang makakasave ka pagdating sa value ng money. Imagine 998 lang na presyo ng ating Tiggo Cross is very spacious, comfort, and value for money talaga siya. And then for our 17 inches gray metallic rim, so yan yung ating details. And then naka-ventilated and disc brake na rin po yan. So yun ang meron sa ating Tiggo Cross na makikita natin sa market as today. Hanggang sa magkaroon pa ng panibago. Ayan, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sir Patrick. And now, to give us a walk around for the all-new Tiggo Grand Tour, may we call again Miss Judy in front of us to give us a walk around of the vehicle.
Hello everyone again. Okay, we have here the all-new 2025 Chery Tiggo Grand Tour in gray. So as you can see, guys, the design, it has a infinity flash front grille, sophisticated with automatic projector headlights, of course. So the ultimate blend of an MPV practicality and an SUV design, that swag. So as you can see here, this is a 7-seater MPV that most likely like an SUV performance. So moving on to under the hood, sorry. You can have here a hydraulic hood. So we have here the powerful 1.5 turbocharged engine with 4-cylinder. It has a 156 horsepower and 230 Newton meter of torque. So that's it. So moving on to the interior design of the unit, we have here a 10.25-inch infotainment screen, touchscreen, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We also have here the this is the cruise control, and of course, this one is for the infotainment control. So, we also have here the, of course, the dual aircon system and the wireless charging phone. We also have here as part of the safety features of the unit, we have here the 360-degree camera. Of course, actually guys, it is very rare to get a 360-degree camera in an MPV. Imagine having a bird's eye view with the road, providing panoramic view of the surroundings. You'll get to increase the visibility and confidence with knowing that you're in control. So we have here a 3D view, front view, the back view, And of course, guys, it is also equipped with a complete reverse driving. We all have here the backup camera and three sensors po for backing up. Okay. We also have here this panoramic sunroof. So as you can see here. So for every time you get behind the wheel, you feel like you're on your own private sanctuary. Actually guys, makukuha nyo to sa mga luxury, very luxury car ranging 2 million. But for this price, meron na kayong power sunroof, panoramic sunroof, I'm sorry. So for the mode, we have a drive mode and the sports mode. So moving on to the second row seats, the interior. So we have here the 7-seater MPV with a combination of fabric and leather interior, black interior. So ito, sa second row, ibibigay ito ng 60-40 split, while the third row naman po is 50-50 seat, 50-50 fold flat. So para makapagbigay ng mas maraming space para sa mga gamit niyo po. And then moving on sa back side of the unit, so we have here the very proud Chery emblem. Of course, the backup camera, the 4-eyed sensor. So as you can see guys, equipped din po ito ng power lift gate. So very accessible na, lalo na kung may mga bit-bit kayo dito sa likod. So no need to worry na parang magiging hassle pa sa inyo para itaas yung trunk. So just press of a button here and then it goes up and down. So just like that. So again, for the third seats, nafu-fold po ito 50-50 flat. For more space. And then we have here the the complete set of tools. And then of course, the spare tire po at the back. So, sa ilalim. So this Chery Tiggo Grand Tour guys has a 212 ground clearance. So as you siguro naman napapansin niyo na dito sa lugar natin is medyo bahain na. So mas maganda kung talagang nakataas ang ating sasakyan. So sa suspension naman guys, we have MacPherson struts sa front and then sa likod naman po is multi-link suspension. So that's it guys. With its price, 1 million. You got the very practical MPV with an SUV design. And of course, dahil dito, hindi lang masasabi kong very practical. Ito na yung sinasabi kong very practical kasi sa presyong ito, makukuha mo na yung luxury features na makukuha mo lang sa mga talagang high-end na brands. But still, kay Chery Tiggo 7, Chery Tiggo Grand Tour, makukuha mo na po yan. And aside from that, guys, i-mention ko ulit yung premium maintenance services ni Chery that we got you covered with 3 years or 60,000 kilometer run PMS or preventive maintenance services. So lahat ng gamit po kino-cover is free for 3 years. So zero cost of ownership ka for 3 years. With industry, Chery's leading warranty package and unbeatable protection and secure, hassle-free ownership. So meron din po siyang 5 years or 150 kilometer run general warranty. It means bumper-to-bumper warranty. So, yun po. So this price guys, sabihin ko na, it's about 1,180,000 pesos only. So napakaganda po, napaka-ano ng ating unit, napaka-competitive when it comes to, of course, when it comes to say, features, talagang nandun na yun. Pero yung price, just imagine po, 1,180,000 yet nandun na lahat yung features na hinahanap mo sa isang family car. So that's it. Thank you so much.
Ayan, thank you so much, Miss Judy and Sir Patrick. So, ayan, I think I'm sure everyone's excited to drive the Tiggo Cross and Tiggo Grand Tour. So, ayan, i-emphasize ko lang ulit the after sales of this. The all-new Chery Tiggo Cross and Tiggo Grand Tour offers 5 years engine warranty, bumper to bumper, 3 years free roadside assistance, as well as 3 years free PMS. Ayan. So, we are again currently live via Facebook in partnership with IMJ Interactive. Please like and share our official Facebook Chery page, Chery Auto Camarines Sur. And we would like also to thank our sponsors, again, Standard Insurance, our bank partners, BDO, RCBC, China Bank, East West Bank, PS Bank, Maybank, Bank of Commerce, and Malayan Insurance. So if you ever have selfies po or pictures, we also have photo booths here. You can post it on Facebook po. So may I invite our dealer executives as well our bank partners for the photo ops po with the new unit of Chery, the Tiggo Grand Tour and Tiggo Cross. Ayan. Ayan sir, sige po, Chery executive sir. And banks po, our partner banks. Leslie and Pioneer Insurance. Invite our guests to check out and try the new 2025 Tiggo Cross and Tiggo Grand Tour today. Ayan, Chery staffs and SCs. So again, the SRP price of Tiggo Cross is 998,000 and the Tiggo Grand Tour starts at 1,188,000 pesos. Tiggo Cross and Tiggo Grand Tour, pwede po kayong pumunta dito sa unahan. And also, please enjoy the grazing table we have prepared for you. So, ayan, thank you once again to everyone for joining us today and for your excitement surrounding the launch of the all-new Tiggo Cross and the all-new Tiggo Grand Tour. So, we look forward to seeing you experience this incredible ride vehicle on the road. So have a wonderful day and thank you so much po for being part of this milestone. Again, we are currently live via IMJ Interactive via Facebook, and please also like and share our official Facebook Chery page, Chery Auto Camarines. Thank you so much po to all the back partners, suppliers that for being us with here today. Thank you and have a wonderful day po.
Audio Jungle.
Every journey tells a story. Where cars bring people together. Every drive creates cherished moments. Here for you, every step of the way. Innovation that redefines driving and confidence.
And Chery Tiggo are the PBL Open Conference champions.
Fueled by heart, united by purpose. Step into a space that welcomes you to our community. Wherever life takes you, choose to love.
Love your journey.
journey tells a story. Where cars bring people together. Every drive creates cherished moments. Here for you, every step of the way. Innovation that redefines driving and confidence.
And Chery Tiggo are the PBL Open Conference champions.
Fueled by heart, united by purpose. Step into a space that welcomes you to our community. Wherever life takes you, choose to love.
Love your journey.
Every journey tells a story,